here's the first one that we've got, and I thought this one was cute. I'm going to read it just the way that it was written. So,
Great.
I just do not understand how to use all these matches that I am getting. They are really piling up. Where do I start to try to understand this topic of how to use DNA in my research? It's a good place to start.
It's a great question, and it's a really common question because as the DNA testing companies continue to grow, it really is a challenge to try and keep up with that goal of understanding how all of your DNA matches might be related to you. In fact, as we engage with genetic genealogy, we often will work to first prioritize what DNA matches are most important for your specific research question. So the first step that I would recommend for helping you to leverage the power of DNA in your genealogy research is to start by identifying a clear research objective. What is it that you're hoping to accomplish? Who is it that you're researching? Once you have that outlined, then you can take your DNA test results and you can then explore within the context of that specific research question. And that will give you the ability to then organize your DNA matches around that question. Once you have that, then you can organize, you can cluster your matches based on their relationships to each other, which often will align with particular lines of your ancestry and your genealogy. And that way you'll be dealing with a much smaller subset of your matches to analyze, build out trees for those individuals, figure out how they're related, and then use that information within the context of document evidence to really understand and overcome some of those obstacles in your family history research.
That's fantastic. Well, and I think it's a good place to start because a lot of people, especially over the holidays, got DNA test kits for gifts, and they're looking at these results and saying, I don't know where to start. So that's a good answer to that question. There's a lot of resources on our blog too that Paul, specifically you have written that help to answer those. So I recommend you also check that out. That will help you a little bit there. So